Sherman, number 25.
Blanton,
Blanks it, and
Blanton.
then beats them all to the corner.
Oh my
The pure
God.
speed of Todd Gurley back in evidence on that sprint to the end zone. And normally Richard Sherman takes better angles to the football. He got
Senta.
a little bit inside and frozen. But that move by Gurley, which kept the Rams in the
Senta.
63 yards down the field. Extra point is good. And it's 14-3 with the early lead over the 49ers here in the second quarter.